A little quick update on the Vista Cruiser. Working on the back door. As you can see, I was cleaning the car and I realized there's a big scratch that wasn't there before in the rear glass, which really sucks. And I checked it out, and it was this. This is a little rubber. When I say rubber, it's not made of rubber, but it presses up against the glass and holds it in place. And it's supposed to have this sort of felt on there. And what happened is it had all fallen off, so it was metal on the glass. So now I've got a nice big 2-wide scratch from about here all the way down right there. And this glass is very hard to find. I know of one Vista Cruiser parts car near me, not sure what kind of shape that glass is in. So I might be running up there to grab it if I have to. And I also noticed, I'm trying to fix it, I don't think I can though, this glass is full of scratches. I mean, look at all those. They might be a little hard. They might not show up too well on the camera, but you can see in the light. I mean, look at all of those. Look at all of those scratches. So if you look at this side and then look at this glass, it's perfect. It's crystal clear. And it really is super upset because the scratches are only on this side. You come over here and it's perfectly fine. Especially way over there, it's perfectly fine. But you come over here and it's full of scratches. I know it's just a little bit. It's just annoying. It's annoying that all the hard to find glass has chips in it. There's a small chip in the windshield, or two. But like this is a special piece of rear glass. There's a chip there. That scratch in the back glass, that right there. And you know, the tint's coming up. And the car is not perfect, but it's just a little upsetting that the glass in the back was perfect. Then the car broke and scratched itself. So it's upsetting. But we're gonna put this back in. We're gonna see what we can do about the big scratch to minimize it. It's never gonna go completely away, but we might be able to minimize some of the larger ones. Maybe get a filler kit. I know there's tricks with nail polish too to really minimize it, but we'll see. I'd like to talk to a glazer as well, or someone that works with glass, and see if he knows of any ways of getting all these fine scratches out, or if he can do it for me. Getting that big scratch out, getting some of these chips out. I know I can do a filler kit if I have to on the big scratches, but I'd really like to talk to a professional and see what they would recommend. Yeah. Because nobody repops these, I believe. This is a non-remade part. In fact, I can guarantee it. So I'd either have to find one out of another wagon, or see if someone could make one for me, which would be ridiculous. But yeah, so that's where we're at pretty much. We'll get this piece in, and we will give you an update. So I've tried a couple methods of getting these light scratches out. As you can see, they're still there. We've tried Quick Glow, Scratch Doctor, baking soda, and water. Metal polish. It's just not all coming out. And I think the problem is my buffer is just not getting up to speed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy some buffing wheels that can go on a grinding wheel. Not today. I'll get it all for next weekend. But we're going to buy some wheels that can go on a grinding wheel. And, or an angle grinder, I should say. And then that spins way faster than this buffer can. This is good for paint, so you don't burn through. But we are going to make sure and make sure we get that for next weekend, because I think we'll really be able to do good work with these scratches. I've seen a couple videos on YouTube with people with their homemade mixes. Some guy was using he was using hand soap, like the orange goop, or the fast orange with the pumice in it, and he was mixing it with some turtle polish, and he was taking out like these scratches right here that you see from the windshield wiper, but he was using an angle grinder with a polishing wheel on it. So that's what we're gonna get for next weekend. We'll get that wheel, spins at way faster RPMs, gets the polish way hotter, and we will work on if it works on this glass, it might work on this chrome too. Might be able to bring some shine back out of this chrome, but leave that until next weekend. I'm just gonna put the door panel back on and probably call it a day. So yeah, I guess I'll catch you guys in the next one.